In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Metatrader 5 to Exness on mobile. First, make sure you have the right apps. You'll need the Metatrader 5 app on your phone, and you should also have access to your Exness Personal Area, either through the Exness app or via a mobile browser. Keeping both apps updated helps avoid connection glitches and ensures the menus look as described. Next, gather your Exness MT5 login details. Open the Exness app or website, go to My Accounts, and select the MT5 trading account you want to use. Open the account details and take note of three items: your login, which is the account number, your trading password, and the server name. The server name will look like Exness MT5 Real for a live account or Exness MT5 Demo for a practice account. These exact credentials are required for Metatrader 5 to connect. Be careful not to confuse your trading password with your email or personal area password. If you're unsure of the trading password, reset it inside Exness before continuing. Also, avoid using an investor or read-only password here, as that will prevent trading. Now move to the MT5 app. Open Metatrader 5. On Android, tap the menu icon. On iPhone, go to Settings. Choose Manage Accounts, then add a new account. Select the option to log in to an existing account so you can connect your Exness profile to MT5. You'll be asked to find the broker's server. Type Exness in the search bar, then pick the correct server that matches your account type. Choose Exness MT5 Real if the account is live, or Exness MT5 Demo if it's a demo. Matching the server is essential. Using the wrong one will cause a failed login. Enter your details carefully. In the login field, type the Exness account number you noted earlier. In the password field, enter the trading password exactly as it appears. Passwords are case sensitive. Make sure the server you selected matches the one from your account details. When everything looks right, tap Sign In or Log In. To confirm the connection, check the charts begin updating in real time, your balance and equity appear correctly, and the connection indicator shows an active signal. If something doesn't load, double-check the server selection, the account number, and the password. A quick copy and paste can help avoid typos, and a stable internet connection is important. If you still can't connect, reset the trading password in your Exness Personal Area and try again. That's it. Your Exness account is now linked to MT5 on your phone, and you're ready to monitor markets and manage trades on the go.